Hi everyone. Today we're going to study frequency polygon. Let us define frequency polygon. Frequency polygon is obtained by joining the points by straight line plotted for the frequencies for each midpoint of the class. Midpoints are plotted along the x-axis and the frequencies to y-axis. The two endpoints of the graph are connected to the horizontal axis to make it as a closed figure. Let us see this example. Construct a frequency polygon for the distribution. This is the distribution. We have two columns. The first column is for the class limits. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 classes. This is the column for the frequency. A frequency of 3 for the class 90 to 98. A frequency of 5 for the class 99 to 107. A frequency of 10 for the class 108 to 116. A frequency of 13 for the class 117 to 125. A frequency of 4 for the class 126 to 134. For our solution, let us do step 1, and that is construct another column for midpoints. This is the column for the midpoints denoted by x sub m. We're going to use the formula lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. We know that for this class, the lower limit is 90 and the upper limit is 98. So for us to find the value for the first blank, we will write x sub m equals 90 plus 98 divided by 2. The sum of the numerator is 188, and this is now divided by 2. The answer is 94. And this value we will write here. For the second blank, the value is 103. That is 99 plus 107 divided by 2 equals, the sum is 206. Divided by 2, we will get this 103. The third value here is 112. That is 108 plus 116 divided by 2. The sum of the numerator is 224, and this is divided by 2, so we get 112. The next number for the midpoint is 121. That is 117 plus 125 divided by 2. The sum of the numerator is 242. Divide by 2, the answer is 121. The last value is 130. We got this from 126 plus 134 divided by 2. The sum is 260 over 2, so we get this 130. We are now done with the column of the midpoints. For step 2, we're going to plot the points. The midpoint is the x-coordinate while the frequency is the y coordinate. So we can see here, this is the x-axis where the midpoints are listed, and for the y-axis, the frequencies are here. The first point is the 94.3. So we have this point. The second point is 103.5. This is the point. The third point is 112.10. Here is the point. Next point is 121.13. Here is the point. The last point is 134. Here is the point. Next, let us connect these points with straight lines. Here now are the points connected by straight lines. Next, step 3 is to connect the two endpoints of the graph to the horizontal axis. It means we're going to add two more numbers of midpoints in the x-axis. One after 130 and the other one is before 94. Take note that the interval between midpoints is 9. So the first number here would be 85 and the other number here is 139. It's like we're adding another midpoints but with zero frequency. Here are now the points, and we connect these points with the endpoints of the graph. This is now the frequency polygon. This is the final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.